This is a very different sort of a review video and I'm sure you're gonna love it. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Shreya. After receiving a gazillion DMs and requests on my YouTube and Instagram, here I am with my take on the Dot & Key skincare range. Now I have purchased 3 products from them and I have been trying this out for a span of more than 3 weeks. Now this review video is not like any other skincare review or any other review where a person has tried something and they just gist down why they like a particular product for so and so reasons. I will be showing you live videos. I have recorded myself for more than 8 to 9 times over a span of these 3 weeks. So let me know your comments or thoughts on this sort of a review video. I would love to hear from you all, and yeah, without wasting any minute, let's jump straight into this video. For starters, I will review all the common thoughts that I have about all of these 3 products so that I don't waste time repeating myself individually. Starting off with the price range. Now these are on the mid-range side. I wouldn't call it too affordable or too expensive. Coming on to the packaging, I had a lot of good things to say about it before Cassandra Bankson uploaded her video where she reviewed a Korean skincare brand. I watched that video and I just couldn't ignore the fact that Dot & Key's packaging is a complete rip-off of that brand named Frutia. Now Shreya Jain recently included this topic in her community tab as well, and she conversed with the brand. Now the brand did say that they are working on a completely different packaging, so I'm pretty excited to see that. But for now, I don't think I will be touching the packaging topic. Moving on, Dot & Key as a brand claims to be cruelty free and having a vegetarian and a non-comedogenic formula, also free from nasty chemicals. So yeah, I'll move on to the individual review part, and the first product that I have for you all is the Dot & Key Zit Zapping Skin Clarifying Face Serum, and this is how it looks like. It retails for rupees 895 for 30 ml of product and the shelf life is of 3 years. The product consistency is pretty liquidy and the color of the actual product is milky white. And if we see the box that it came in, this is what it looks like. The best part is that it comes with a magnetic closure and it's pretty cute, but I don't know if this one too is a rip-off. This is how it looks like from inside. Now there are a lot of information on the box itself. Unfortunately, the ingredient list is missing from this one. They've just mentioned the key ingredients and I as a consumer am not happy about it, as in I do not feel quite secure. Also, Dot & Key skincare line, at least majority of their products are having the same issue. They just have key ingredients mentioned on it and not the entire list. So if they are working on a new packaging, I would really expect them to also print the entire ingredients on the box and their website itself so that there is a lot more transparency. Keeping that aside, few of the key ingredients that this product claims to have is the tea tree oil, sage oil and natural salicylic actives. Now these ingredients are known to treat acne, especially salicylic acid, which penetrates into the skin and works on dissolving the dead skin cells, which helps in unclogging the pores. Apart from this, one of the most prominent aspect about Dot & Key skincare line would be the fragrance aspect, which is there in all of their skincare ranges. I'm not a big fan of that. Now fragrance again as a topic is a bit controversial and I have my own take on it, so I'll be telling y'all. My skin type is oily, acne prone and a bit sensitive, and these products as of now have not broken me out or anything of that sort. But again, I am not promoting fragrance as an ingredient. I will definitely enjoy this product more if it would have been fragrance free, so I would definitely encourage the brand as well to come out with fragrance free line so that a lot of consumers can use it. For usage, I've used this 4 days in 1 week and I've used it twice, that is both morning and evening, and I've been halfway through, so I believe this bottle will last you for a month if you're using it regularly. As you all know, I've been using this product for quite some time now. My thoughts would be that this did work on the acne scarring. For the ones which were mild, this completely took them away, and the ones which were quite stubborn, this did fade them out but not completely remove it. Also, this product does need a little bit time to show its magic, just putting that across. Also, if you think that this will just stop your pimples from popping up, that's not the case. But if you are seeing a pimple being coming up, this will definitely reduce its size. And yeah, this is what I think about this serum. My next product from this brand is the Acne Defense Green Clay Mask, and this is how it looks like. Now this retails for rupees 695 for 85 grams of product, and the shelf life is of 3 years. Unlike the serum, this has a complete ingredient list mentioned on the box itself, which receives a thumbs up. Now few of the key ingredients mentioned are matcha tea, tamanu oil, neem oil, French green clay, and this contains fragrance, which I am not a big fan of. Now the antioxidants and the antibacterial ingredients will help you with the acne scars and hyperpigmentation. I've used this mask for approximately 7 to 8 times during this 3 weeks, and I have some thoughts. Now on application, you will feel such a cooling sensation is because of the menthol ingredient mentioned on the box. So your face will feel as if it's just put inside a freezer. It's that chilling. So it's a good feeling overall, and the consistency of the mask is pretty thick. So once you apply it, you have to leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Once you wash it off, your skin will instantly feel so much clean and fresh. Also, since it's so cooling, it definitely soothes your skin. So I like this mask a little bit more than the serum that I've mentioned prior to this, if I may say so. Moving on to the last and my most favorite purchase from Dot & Key, which is the Hydro Peel Glow Potion, and this is how it looks like. Before sharing my thoughts on this product, I would like you all to know that physical scrubs have broken me out. No matter how good the brand is, no matter which brand it is, it has always broken me out. So I completely had to stop exfoliation no matter what, until lately when I came across this term called chemical exfoliation. And I was like, चलो ये भी करके देख लेते हैं, क्या होगा, breakout करेगा तो छोड़ना पड़ेगा. So I went ahead and purchased this, and this is how it looks like. The inside packaging looks like this. It comes in a purple sort of a bottle, but the serum is having a slimy texture to it, and the color is also light blue in color. Also, this contains fragrance, and the entire ingredient list is mentioned on the box itself, which is a big thumbs up. This particular exfoliating serum contains 10% AHA and 2% BHA, so it's best of both worlds. You need to take 3 to 4 drops of this serum and apply it all over your face, excluding your eye area, which is pretty sensitive, so make sure you do not apply it anywhere near it. Once you apply this, you will feel a tingling sensation, which is bearable, but if it's not, make sure you just wash it off instantly. Your skin might be reacting to it. Also, you need to just apply this for 10 to 15 minutes and not more than that, and just wash it off with cold water. Again, this serum needs to be applied only during night time and once a week. Like, I would preferably suggest you just once a week, because this is a pretty potent product. Once you wash off your face, you will instantly feel, your skin will instantly feel baby soft, and oh my god, the result it gives is exactly like the physical exfoliation. In fact, better. Once you wake up the next day, your skin will feel a lot more brighter, and your scars, if any, will seem to be fading. In fact, this particular serum gave me instant result, as in next day se meko samajh aane laga that this is working. This particular product is great if you're having hyperpigmentation issues. Also, if you're suffering from acne scars, ye us pe bhi work karta hai. In fact, this one works better than this. Somehow the actives just help your scars to fade faster. So yeah, I would highly recommend this to anyone who's looking for a good chemical exfoliator. या आप मेरे जैसे हो जिसको physical scrub suit नहीं करता, you can definitely give this one a try. Now I'll just include the live clip that I was talking about. Please ignore the fact that I look homeless, because I just used to take a shower, not even comb my hair, just used to record it because बस करना रहता था ताकि देख सको आप exactly how my skin is feeling. So I hope you like this format. Also, this video took a little more effort, so please hit that like button so that I'm motivated to do such videos more. With that, I finished my review on the Dot & Key skincare line. I hope you all like it. If you did, you know what you need to do. Hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment down below with any video requests or anything in general. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care.